Down here in Texas, it's 94 degrees outside. Water temperature is a freezing 68, 69 degrees. It's more than we can bear down here. But I'm gonna tough it out. Gonna be hardcore. I'm gonna catch you guys some turtles. Hope. All right, there's one right there. You ready?
Yes.
See him? Here we go.
Yep, got it. Hi, turtle. What kind of turtle is this?
Texas map turtle. If it's got
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Be right there. This is a red-eared slider. He's got the big old red ears.
He looks so chill.
Yeah, and it's this one's a female.
Oh, yeah?
You can tell because she's got the short claws.
Ooh.
The males have the longer claws. Okay, I can stand here. And they use them in mating. They take them and they go up to the female and they go, ah, she loves that.
I want to touch him.
It's full of slime.
Oh, yeah.
People always ask, do they bite? It's got a mouth, it can bite. They'll open their mouth, and if you stick your finger in it, they'll close their mouth.
Bye.
Go. Hey, I see you.
You see if you lose it. You got it back!